Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Urvi and in today's video I am going to recreate Priyanka Chopra's look as you might have already seen in the thumbnail, but still I will just post a picture of her look right here. I am going to recreate this look in this manner. So if that would be something you would be interested in, then please continue watching. But before starting, I would like to request you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon so that you guys would be notified whenever I post a new video. Please share this video with your friends and family if you like it. And now, without further ado, let's begin. So let's quickly begin with the base now. So as I can see in the picture, the base is very neat and clean. It is kind of dewy but not very glossy, and everything is quite full coverage but yet natural looking. So I'll be attempting to do that. So my face is already moisturized and I'm going to start with a primer first. So I'm using this poreless primer from e.l.f. So because this is a poreless primer, I'm first concentrating it on the centers of my face where I have the maximum pores, and then whatever is remaining I'll just apply it on the rest of my face. So now let's move on to the base. So for foundation I'm using this one from Kiko Milano, and this is quite full coverage and a little bit matte, but in the photograph I can see that her base is kind of dewy. So I'm going to mix in these glow booster drops from Kiko itself. So what I'll do is just apply the foundation first and just put 3 to 4 drops like I do with a serum of the glow booster. So I'm applying the foundation on my entire face in a dotting motion with the applicator that came with it. Even though it looks like a lot, I'm not actually using a lot of foundation. This is just one dip of the product. And next I will be applying the glow booster drops. I'll just drop 4-5 drops on my entire face and start blending the foundation along with the glow booster drops. I think you guys can see that the glow booster drops have added a kind of dewy glowy look to my face. Make sure to take your time with the blending, especially for the foundation, because that is the most important step in our makeup. So whatever is left on the brush, I'm just taking it down my neck so that everything looks cohesive. The foundation looks quite okay now, and now I'll use a concealer. So I'm using this one from e.l.f. It is a 16-hour camo concealer, just a little bit. I'm just using 2 drops of the concealer on each side of my eye because that's all the concealer we need, and otherwise it will crease on the under eyes, which is not a very pretty sight. Now using my fingers to blend the concealer, because why not? It's just as effective as using a brush and also hassle free. So I have applied this concealer on the centers of my face because I want to lift that area, and I'm blending it again with the help of my fingers. Now just to make everything more seamless, I'll use a brush. So I'm done with my concealer as well, and now I think I need to set it a bit with a powder. So I'm using this loose powder from Makeup Revolution. It's the Luxury Banana powder, and I'll just take a little bit on a fluffy brush like this and just dust it all over my face, but especially on the areas where I have applied a concealer. We'll do the blush, bronzer and highlighter after the eyes because the eyes are the main highlight of this look. So now I'll directly move on to eyes. And for eyes, we'll start with the brows first. So I'll be using this 2-in-1 product from MyGlam. So that's a brow powder, and I'm just going to take it on a brush of my own. So the brows are all done, and now we'll begin with the eyes. So for eyes, what she has done is that she's gone for a pink, bright pink color in the inner half of the eyes and a blackish color in the outer half. So we'll begin with the pink. So I do have this palette from Makeup Revolution which has nice bright pink colors, but I don't think they would give me a very good intensity as much as I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the pink with a liquid lipstick. So I have a nice bright colored liquid lipstick from Stay Quirky, so I'll just use that first. So I'm applying it directly with the applicator onto the inner 1/3 of my eye, and then I'm just blending it as I go. As you saw, it blended so easily and seamlessly. I'll do the same thing on the other eye. Also, I intensified it a bit. Next, taking this almost black color and applying it on the outer corner of my eye. At first, I'm just packing on the color and then I'm just blending it with a fluffier brush. Just blend, blend, blend. And then taking the same pink shadow and applying it on my lower lash line as well. Just applying some black shadow on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking the same 2-in-1 eye product and using the liner side of it. As you can see, Priyanka has a cute little wing going on, so I'm just doing the same. Both the wings now done. We'll move on to lashes, and I'll curl my lashes with this eyelash curler for 5 seconds. Next, I'll take my favorite mascara and apply it generously on both my upper and lower lashes. Of course, I have to make some funny faces because I'm applying a mascara. And now I'll go again with the second coat. So the eyes are almost done, and she has a little bit of inner corner highlight going on. So I'm just going to take my highlighter and just dip my brush just slightly and just give a little bit of highlight to my inner corners as well as my brow bones. We'll move on to the rest of the face. So she has very little going on the face, so very mild contour and a very light blush, so we are going to do just that. For bronzing the face, I'm going to take the Bahama Mama from the Balm, and I'm just going to take a very little amount and just start bronzing my face up ever so slightly. Of course, she has that beautiful jawline and I don't, so I have to contour my jawline as well. So for the nose, she has a good contour over here but not so much over here, so that's what I'm going to do. So the very light bronzing is done. Now we'll move on to blush. So I'm taking this one from the Balm again and just applying it on the outer part of my cheeks, not so much on the apples, because she naturally has a slifted face like this. So that's what I'm trying to achieve over here. And now whatever is left on the brush, I'll just take it on the apples and a little bit on my nose. So if you can see, I have applied most of my blush over here, but over here it's very little. So when I look straight, not so much of blush is visible, just as in her photograph. So now we'll move on to highlighter. She has very slight, almost kind of dewy looking skin, but we don't have that much of a dewy skin going, so we'll just apply a little bit of highlighter. So this one is from Essence, and this is a very natural looking highlighter. So I'll just apply a very tiny amount. So the apples of her cheeks are a little bit shiny, so I'm applying my highlighter over there, and then just the usual places, just slight dusting. So our face is all complete now, and now the only thing left is the lipstick. So for lipstick, she has gone for a very muted, almost like tinted lips, which is slightly pink in color. So I'll do the same, and of course she has a little bit of shine going on, so we'll see about that. But first we'll just apply a lipstick. But I'm not going to apply my lipstick as a lipstick. This is the lipstick that I have, so I'll just take a little bit on my fingers and just apply it as a tint, because she has very tinted lips kind of look going on. So the color quite matches what she has applied, but now the texture needs to be matched as well. So on top of this, she has applied kind of like a metallic topper, but I don't have any such topper, so I'm going to do some jugaad of my own. So what I'll do is I'll just take my lip balm and just apply it on top of my lips. So as you can see, this has given me a nice shine on the lips, just as she has in her photograph. So that's the finished look. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me recreate this makeup look. Let me know in the comments down below which other celebrity looks that you would like me to recreate. I have a few in mind, but I would also like to know what you guys want. So I think I'm going to make this kind of a series where I recreate celebrities and famous people's makeup looks in a very easy manner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!